Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord N30, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Finally, click on one of your added ones that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Finally, just tap on Edit button and make all of your changes. When you finished, hit save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!